Good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning, good morning. How's it going, everybody? I messed up my setup here. All right, we're ready to roll. Good morning, good morning. How's it, everybody? Happy Friday, everybody. Happy Friday. It is Friday Trading Ever After and Timbo. Good morning, Matty Matt. Good morning. Are you able to trade news on Topstep combines? Yes. Daryl, good morning. Dean Bishop, good morning. Board, good morning. NP, Black Coffee Trader, good morning. Got the 200 for the day on you, Profit. Let's go, Black Coffee. Let's go. That's awesome. Let's go. Let's go, Black Coffee. Jack Wiley, Larry, Brat Mastufa, Peter Shap, good morning. Dong, good morning. R5 Studios, good morning. Will, Timbo, Joe Bag of Donuts. I like your name. You make me hungry. Mr. Wall Street, good morning. Sin City Futures, Timbo. American X Trader, good morning. Peter Shap. All right, boys. We are officially ready to go on the 3-minute strat. Okay, I have micro selected. We got the right account selected. We got everything is locked down and ready to go. Double, triple checked. Triple checked everything this morning. Jeffrey Hall, good morning. Here's Johnny. Mikey. Ejecto, good morning. David Gabriel, good morning. Neo, good morning, Neo. We will only be taking the opening, this 3-minute strategy trade on the 300K funded account only. We have a $600 stop loss. Hard stop at $600. We will be trading 12 micros. Good morning, Aluwatosin. Viter, good morning. Board Yeti. Are you using Rhythmic Connection or Tradevate? I'm using Rhythmic for my Apex accounts. Yeah, I did it on the news, on the CPI news, Matty Matt. I did it on the CPI news. 20 contracts and passed it. I am so warm right now. This office is a heater. I still, you know what? I'm going to go on Amazon. I'm going on Amazon literally right now and buying me a fan. Black Friday week for Amazon. Jeez. Oh, you can get a USB fan? Oh. All right, market is open, folks. It's time to pay attention. The opening of the 3-minute bar is where we will decide what we do. We have the opening price right here at the 758s. 758. Good morning, D Versatility. Jenna, good morning. Sam Owen, good morning. I'm kind of curious what we're going to do here at the open. We had a big sell-off in the overnight session. Also, in the afternoon of yesterday afternoon, we had a pretty decent sell-off. So, kind of what we were talking about yesterday. Market looked like it wanted to pull back some. All right, 2 minutes. We got 1 minute left. This price has got to get away from this opening price if we get a trade. It's a pretty mild opening right now. It's not what I usually not a good thing. We might not have a trade today. Not the way this is shaping up. We got 20 seconds. Okay, now we do. All right, we're in. And now we hold on. Hard stop here at $600. We're just following mechanics here. This is, if we get stopped out, we get stopped out. If we close half at the close of the 5-minute candle. Come on, market, do something. The only time we don't close at the 5-minute mark is if we are not in profit. If we're not at least 30 ticks in profit, then we keep the trade open. But we just got to wait and see here. Feel like if this thing can just drop down lower, we can have a chance, but nah. This might be a loser today, the way price is going. If we're in the red at the close of the 5-minute candle, then we hold it until the 10-minute close. If we're in the red but not stopped out, I should say. Or if we're not at least 30 ticks in profit. All right, close of this candle is where we're closing at least half, if we're in profit by 30 ticks. Big red candle here would be really nice. $20 seconds. $10 seconds. Three, two, one. Okay. We are closed on half. Now we don't close until we either hit the profit target or we close of the 10-minute candle. I wait until 9:33 to enter the trade, yes. Wait, I didn't close half. You're right. Oh, no. Thank you. Who was that? Thank you, Trip Candy. I had my wrong. Okay, that. Thank you, Trip Candy. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, I did not see that. Why did I have it on? Oh, I must have scrolled. I must have scrolled and then it changes the contract size. That's what happened. This is why we live test things. This is exactly why. All right, we're just chilling now until the close of the 10-minute candle. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the 7-minute candle right now. We do not move or stop to break even until we close our second exit. Not until our second exit do we close. We just let her run. Okay, 7-minute candle is about to close. The only time we close before that is if we hit this target. If we hit this target, we take the money. All right, this is the 8-minute candle. What is the profit target if it hits before the close? 200. I have it at 289 ticks. Is my profit target. If it hits that before the 10-minute close, then I take the profit. We might hit it here the way this is going. This is where it's so hard. It's so hard right now not to take my profit, honestly. Every being and every bone in my body wants to just take my profit here. All right, this is this the 9-minute candle? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is the 9-minute candle. Oh, come on, market. But we're trying to follow the strategy. It's hard. It's hard. It's a lot harder to do in live. But we got to follow the same rules we have for our back testing results. It's just that simple. We got to follow the same rules. Okay, about this 9-minute candle about to close. 10-minute candle, the close of the next candle, we are getting out of this 3 contracts right here. All right, close of this candle. This cannot happen soon enough. Why don't I move my stops? Because that was not part of my backtesting strategy. My backtesting strategy, I don't move my stop here until the close of the 10-minute candle. Just following the rules here. All right, we got 30 seconds to close this. I think it's easier just to do this and then hit the ask, I think. 20 seconds. Don't give me a green candle here. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. We're out. We're out on the 3. Now we move the stop to break even. And now the close will be at the 15-minute close of the candle, or we get stopped out. It's either or. Or we hit our profit target all the way down here, which I seriously doubt will happen, but you never know, man. We are definitely, it could easily bounce here at the 2700s, for sure. But we're just gonna follow it. Follow the plan. I'm not surprised if this bounces. Even if this stops me out, I mean, it is what it is. We followed the plan. My main objective is to live test the results, forward testing for at least 2 weeks, 3 weeks. And if we need to make some adjustments, we will. But for the 2 weeks of collecting the data, we need to just stick with the strategy. As hard as this is to watch this now go and hit our stop loss, it's what we got to do. We just got to do it. what strategy is this? I mean, it's a back testing strategy that I came up with that I wanted to try for. And I did manual back testing of 6 months of data that was very promising, and now I'm just forward testing it on this live funded 300K account. Okay, this is the close of what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All right, we're at the 13-minute candle now. We got 2 more candles before we close this trade. I love to see new lows here. New lows here would be really, really sweet. Imagine if we would have taken this trade on all of the accounts now. See, if I would have taken this on all of the accounts, I'm not sure I would have had the... I'm not sure I would have had the stomach to hold this. I'm not sure I would have held... I think I would have just taken my profit and ran. Come on, make new lows. Do it. Do it. It's a good way to take emotion off the runners, Sion. Yeah, I mean, it is. Okay, we have the 14-minute candle now. Need this to make new lows. Really need this to make new lows. There we go. Keep going, baby. Keep going. Oh, yeah. All right, the next candle close, we get out of the trade. Next candle close. Do it for the stream. But man, this takes way more discipline than being patient. Ugh. I want to just hit the... I just want to hit the take profit right now. I just want to get out so bad. But we're not going to do it. Okay, close of this candle, finally. Close of this candle, we get out. Just do it already. 44, 42 seconds. 40 seconds till close. Imagine this thing rips and hits our stop at the last second. That's where, if that happens a lot, I think I would make some adjustments. But until we have enough data, we just stick with what we currently know. Okay, we are almost ready to take this off. 5 seconds, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we're out. All right, and that's it, folks. That was great. That's what we want to see. All right, successful 3-minute strategy trade. Now we do it again tomorrow. All right, now we switch back to the 2-minute chart. We are done with that account for the day. But man, what a move here. What a move. The overnight session, we just had a big move lower. Big move lower. Oh. You know what I'm most proud of? That I followed this plan. I didn't bail early. I followed the rules. It feels good. I messed up a little bit by not taking the full contracts off right here at 6, but thanks to Trip Candy for reminding me or catching that. I did not see that, so that's thank you for calling that out. Hey, Mike, thank you. No, Rick Anderson. So basically the strategy, I mean, I don't care to share the strategy. Just, I mean, don't, just because we have one, you know, just because it won today, you know, don't go crazy. But I wait. My entry is on the opening 3-minute candle. So basically the opening 3-minute candle, if that opening is below the opening price, it's a short. If it's above the opening price, it's a long. But it has to be 5 points. It has to be 5 points from that opening. If it's within 5 points, then it's just no trade. So being that we opened here at the 758, and at the open of the 3-minute candle, we were at the 751. So we were 7 points below the opening. That is what triggered the short instead of a long. Like that's the determining factor on the direction of the trade. It's basically like an opening range trade, kind of. It's an opening range trade, but what I didn't like about the opening range trade is just the unknown of long or short. So that's what I was back testing, and that's why I was back testing 6 months of data to see. I felt like at 3-minute mark, you know, that it had kind of picked a direction that it would continue in that said direction. That's in theory, that's the strategy. The strategy is that once we're 3 minutes into the market's picked a direction and that it will continue. Obviously, it doesn't always, definitely does not. But right now, the back testing shows, I mean, it's definitely worth trying. For me anyway. Don't do your own research, do your own testing. Don't take my word for it. All right, we're trying to get a bounce here on the 690s now. Yeah, Ron, it looks like I entered before, but it was literally like a second. I entered right here like a second before. It was like a second before. That's why it came on this bar where it really should have been on this bar, but it technically was just a difference of a couple. It was just a difference of a couple seconds. K Trader. Hey, hey, who do we have here? You are something else. Hey, we need to. Okay, you are. Whoo! I'm glad you guys can't smell what I smelled because that Cody definitely needs a diaper change. Oh man, that was bad. Time to send him back to mom. You can backtest it on Ninja going back years. You can build Serral. Yeah, and I would like to do that, but one of the things like for me with backtesting is I have to do it manually. Like I have to do the backtesting manually. I don't know what it is about it, but I have to do it manually so that my brain can see and absorb the results more. If I'm manually entering everything, I start to believe in the strategy. I start to actually believe that this is true and that it will work. If I just do the automated and do the back testing that way, there's just a part of me that I'm struggle with that maybe the system made an error. Maybe there's a mistake. Maybe there's a glitch. And if there's just that little bit of doubt, when I start forward testing it and it doesn't go well right off the rip, I just ditch it immediately. Like where here I feel way more confident. I'm like, okay, I know this works. I know the back testing works. It doesn't mean the forward testing will work, but it gives me that assurance and confidence when I'm in the trade. It, like, if that makes sense. All right, back up to the 740s. Testing the EMA here. Obviously today I don't know how to feel about today. If we look at the 60-minute chart, so the 60-minute chart, we pulled back into this 700 area, which is kind of what, actually the 4-hour chart shows it better, but we pulled back into this 700 area, which is kind of what I wanted to see. And the fact that every dip has been bought up the last couple days, I don't know. I have a feeling we're going to see another V-shaped reversal today. And I'm not sure I'm going to go short anymore. I have a hard time trusting the shorts. Especially when we do these like big bounces. I don't know. We'll see. I'm not sure how I feel about it. Can you tell me what the yellow line is? This yellow line is just the 21 EMA. I think we still need to test 674. Yeah, West P. Automation is great. Okay, I actually would be interested in an automation now. Now that I've back tested 6 months of data manually, I would love to back test the 6 months of data with the automatic strategy. And then if we have similar results, then I would trust that process to back test further. Long 706. Let's go, Black Coffee. We really need to try and build this on stream on the Ninja Strat. I'd love to, Matty Matt. Maybe I need to learn how to do it. Matty Matt, it sounds like you've played with that before. But does someone know offhand, like, does someone know that how to, because my exits are time-based. Does someone know how to configure time-based entries and exits? Because the first rule should be at the opening of the 3-minute price, at the 3-minute candle, if price is below XYZ, you go short. And then you exit at the close of the 5-minute candle, etc. Like, how do you do it? It's easy. Saral, man, I need to learn how to do it. I'm sure there's YouTube videos out there of it. Oh man, I would have so much fun doing that. I need to look into that. I actually need to look into it. Okay, let me I'm going to see if I can. Okay, market. What are we doing? Are we going to make new lows here? You can do almost anything in Ninja Trader, at least I can. I see. All right, Madam Matt. I'm going to look into it, and I need to at least get my feet wet on it and see like the basics of it. You can set a time-based entry on Tradeovate. Oh, really? All right, EMA, touch the EMA and reject it. Let's see if we keep going. Let's see if we bounce here. Oh, I see, Trip Candy. You use it for the news? Ah, good idea. I that's what I'm looking at, Matty Matt. Just time-based entry videos, and I can. Because there's a couple outliers of the strategy. Like the more I back tested it, the more like things kind of, for example, like if the close of the 5-minute candle is not at least 30 ticks in profit, then you don't take your profit. Then you don't close that first trade. You hold until the close of the 10-minute candle or until you hit your profit target, which is XYZ. So there's definitely some outliers that, the more I back test it, I come into different scenarios, where it's like, oh, I didn't think about this. What about if the price is here? What do I do now? So there's definitely a lot of kind of it seems very simple, but once you get really down into the weeds of it, it's like, man, it gets more and more complicated the more that you go into it. All right, let's see what we do. And new lows. Wow. I mean, this would have been a perfect trade off of this EMA. But see how I'm starting to notice some things on some of these pullbacks. Like when we have a retest of this EMA and then we make new lows below this, I think that's a better entry than the last couple days. I would just be entering when this candle would break this candle on the first entry. I would go short and then I would get trapped. So I think I need to wait a little bit more, especially when it's volatile. But man, yesterday afternoon, oof, that was crazy. That was some crazy volatility yesterday afternoon. Nice black coffee. Before investing time and energy in coding a strat, I would manually test and trade the strategy, see if it will hold up. Yeah, that's what I'm doing, Maximus. Yep. That is basically what I manually back tested for 6 months. Now I'm going to manually forward test at least for 2 weeks, maybe longer. I mean, obviously, if it keeps working, I'll just keep doing it. But let's see if we actually hold the new lows here. If we just bounce right here, I don't know. Right now, I kind of expect a V-shaped reversal. I am expecting a V-shaped reversal move, and what I'm trying to determine is how do I trade it? I don't want to jump in. Definitely don't want to be trying to pick bottoms. Matty Matt. The year is 2025. Nutty is now a billionaire with his 3-minute strategy code. Matty Matt. That's too funny. Topstep Live is down again. Of course they are. By the way, guys, I asked them in a tweet. I asked Michael Batak if he wouldn't mind sharing his P&L for the year on the live account. A lot of people are curious. Let's see if he responded. Probably not. Oh, he did respond, guys. So so Michael responded, said the live account year to date is down 300,000 for the year. Hold it. We've done this is his response. It's down probably 300 or more. We've done many different styles and haven't found a groove. We believe in the idea of a house account. We are building the live trading concept plan on the air. We want it to be live trading, and the trading needs time to be about our on-air trading guests. That is crazy. They're down 300K and they oh my gosh. Oh, it's true, Amelia. It's true. They're down 300K. I guarantee. I'm not surprised at all. I know about 3 months ago it was 200,000. I thought it might be more. I thought his words are truth. I want. I'm gonna. Oh, I don't know what. I respect the transparency, though. And look at that. Michael Batak officially followed me. Michael Batak followed me. Uh I responded to Michael Batak and I told him I told him they should probably bring ICT on. He could probably have their account back in the green in a week or two. Oh man. That is pretty wild though. I will say that's wild. Hey, Kid Poker in the house. Duh, man. Hoping my payout tab is available tonight. Wait, are you ready for a payout, Kid Poker? Don't tell me that. Tell me it isn't so. Is it true? Let's go, Kid Poker. Let's go. Alpine raid. What? What? You telling me Alpine? What? Why? Let's see. Oh yeah, the Mike Tyson fight is also tonight. I'm telling you guys right now, that Mike Tyson fight will be the biggest disappointing fight ever. I'll predict that. I don't know who's gonna win, but you're still under review. Kiss me, I cooked. Hey, I mean, it's better than denied, right? There's still hope. Uh Second payout in 3 weeks. Let's go, Kid Poker. I love it. I love to see it. Oh, I just realized something. My boy, my boy, my boy. By the way, it was really good to see 100 lot. It was great to see 100 lot backs. But man, you talk about someone that just absolutely got shafted with this whole FTT thing. It's 100 lot ES trader, man. I feel so bad. I feel so bad for him. Wow, wow, this is ripping lower. I should probably be trading this, but I'm not. Wow. Hmm. Sorry, guys. I'm trying to get something sent here. Wow, look at this market. Okay, I need to pay attention to this. Let's look at the 4-hour chart now. I mean, we do have some support down here at the 600s. Maybe we bounce off the 600s, but wow, what a move lower. Daily chart now is definitely looking like a nice, healthy pullback. Wow. I mean, I still want to... I want to look for that V-shaped reversal today, but now I'm not sure I'm not sure. Maybe that V-shaped reversal might not be happening today. At least for now, I don't think I can look for that. I just got to follow this trend. We got to follow the trend. Trend is your friend. Dakota is the real deal there. Alshi, yeah, I mean... Yeah, where's the V, Mikey? I know, it ain't happening. Dakota is the real deal? Yeah, I agree. Anyone know why my Apex eval did not reset when I got rebuilt? It was in a failed status. Jones trades. That's really weird. I would reach out to support Jones trades. It definitely should have reset. Yeah, a lot of traders getting trapped waiting for that V-shaped recovery. Yeah, Black Coffee. Hey, I hear you. I've got my U-Profit accounts are all done, traded for and over. I already got my profit on those accounts last night, so I'm just sitting here twiddling my thumbs as well. How long will Apex maintain the $85 lifetime? Schrager, honestly, I hope I hope they keep it going forward. That $85 lifetime fee, I feel like is one of the best promotions they have. It's better than the discount, the 80% discount. So I hope they never get rid of it. 620s now. Wow, what a move lower. Man. What a move lower. About to make new lows. 613s. Wow. If I sell here, NQ will just skyrocket up. Yep, you know it, Samar. You've been around long enough to know how it works. You know it. Here comes the big bounce. I'm not going to try to pick bottoms here. I am not doing it. I've done that too many times. Hmm. And down to the 605s. Just continuing to bleed lower. Do you know how long it takes to get the account activated on UProfit once I pass? You passed yours yesterday and I paid the fee yesterday and it's not active yet. Yeah, FSA. I feel like they're a little bit delayed right now because I had quite a bit of delay on mine the other time too. It took about, yeah, it took about 18 hours or so. So yeah, I don't know what that's about. They're probably just getting a little overwhelmed, I would assume. Okay, down here at the 600s, is this where we're going to bounce? Is this it? Look at this big sell-off, man. 4-hour chart does a better job of showing this, but I mean the 590s 600 area I feel like is a potential bounce. It's got potential. It has potential. Let's see if it does it. All right, here we are about to test that 600. Okay, here we go. Breaking down below the 600s. 590s would be next. Here we go. 592s. This is just one of those mornings where we're just continuing to go lower. 590s breached, now at the 589s. Get ready, boys. This is looking like a big red day. 587s, 588s. How low will she go? How come I sold and I'm still down 500? I don't know, Boda, but that's not good. When the market is dumping, you pick the bottom, you will get a stinky finger. That's right. That is right. All right, down to the 585s now. 580, 585s down to the 583s. Man, it is not looking like it pays. It did not pay any attention to the 600s or at least for now the 590s. Let's see if we can get a bounce here off the 590s. Does not appear that way. Hey, good morning, Matthew. Quick 3-point scalp. Oh, nice, K-Trader, nice. Man, part of me, I just need to be patient now because shorting down here is not a good idea. Picking a bottom here is not a good idea. Just need to be patient. Just need to be patient. Our opportunity will come, and then we pounce. Jake Paul will go down as hard as the market. It's where can you see the fight? Where's the fight on? All right, getting a little bit of a bounce now. Let's see if this will bounce. Testing the 600s now. Let's see if we can get a bounce above. I'd like to see a bounce up to the 620s, 640 area at least. Might not happen. This is just looking like we could just keep dumping. She wants to dump it. You think we test 517? Okay, wow. 517s. Let me look at that. 517s. I could see that. That's 500 level. 500 level here is the 200 EMA is sitting right there. All right, now we're getting a little bit of a bounce here. At the 610s, trying to push above the 610s here. Let's see if it can do it. Got to push above the 620s. Let's see if we can rip it. The pounce. People are dumping stocks and putting money into Bitcoin. Wasn't Bitcoin pulling back as well? And wow, just immediately follow with a red candle here. All right, back to focus here. Man, we just continue. I wanted to see it pull back into the 20s at least. We just need to get a little bit closer to this EMA. This EMA, we are way too far away from it to be chasing the trades down here. I just don't want to do it. Even though it does feel like that's what I should do. This market is acting crazy. Man, it just looks like it's going to continue dumping here. We can't even get a bounce to the 620s. Hey, Jose in the building. How's it going, Jose? It's been a while. It's been a while. How's it going? S, how we doing? Obviously not then as you were. What is the Topstep TV? I don't know. Someone needs to keep me updated on Topstep TV, their position. If they go long or short, someone needs to give me an update. Okay? I don't want to fade them necessarily, but I definitely don't want to be short if they are short. No offense. No offense to Topstep, but I don't think that's a terrible take. Let me look. Where are they at? Okay, house account is long. Uh-oh. House account is long currently. Trading around my P&L. I don't trade by looking at the charts. Can we do something together? I'm good, Pro Trader Mike. I'm not looking to collab with other traders. It's not for me. I don't think it's very helpful to the viewers to have a lot of different. It's not helpful to me to have different viewpoints, and I would much rather do my own thing and let it be as it is. Full port shorting. How did they come up with a buy right here? I have no idea. Can you add a live Topstep P&L to your channel? I don't know, Rick. I'm telling you, someone should do it. Someone should make a YouTube channel. The only thing that channel does is they fade Topstep's account. Like I said, Pro Trader Mike, I'm good. I'm good, so please stop asking. And okay, let's see. Do we get above the 620? If we get above the 620s, we kind of failed to make a new low here, so maybe we see this thing move higher. Make a YouTube channel that updates all the YouTubers. Ah, man, that'd be difficult to do at some point. At sometimes. Oh, it is right now a pivot point. Okay. Well, we are now very close to this EMA, so this does kind of interest me. Not really, though. This is a very important area right here. If we go down below the 580s, I think we're gonna go test. I think we might go test like down to the 500s. It's tempting here to go short, but just can't do it. Not right here. You hate seeing me struggle? All right, Mike. you're getting close to getting banned. First of all, I didn't ask you to come in here for your, I didn't ask for your help, first of all. So I don't know what makes you think I need your help. Second of all, I don't need another YouTuber trying to constantly come to my channel to promote their own channel. So use that as a warning and kindly get out. I hope I wasn't unclear. I tell you what. All right, new lows, 570s. Here we go. Wow. Topstep TV stopped out for a loss. Hey, I hope so too, Matthew. I hope so too. Topstep indicator with another big win. Yep. Nope. Topstep TV with another big win. Hey, look. Oh man, it's rough. Did they get, are they still in it? They are still in it. Oh man. Hey, let's go, Trading Ever After. Hey, though, how's it going there, Cody? What do you have?
That's your cheek. I go back there and say, "Dog, knock."
Did you knock on the door?
Yeah.
Did you want to come in? You want to say hi to everybody? Okay. You can say hi then. All right. There.
Hi.
You like saying hi to everybody, huh? You are too cute.
Well, it's going down.
Look at that, guys. Look at that. He's going to be a trader someday, I'm telling you.
Oh, it's going
down. It's going down. Look, Cody, what do you think's going to happen? Do you think it's going to go up or go down?
Go up.
Oh, he says it's going to go up. The Cody indicator. Oh, boy.
Hey, I was going to go out there.
Here, you want to show them your toy?
No, these are my treats.
Yeah, those are yours, huh?
These are my treats.
Those are your treats? Okay.
Let's leave them there.
What's can you tell them what's your favorite toy? What's your favorite toy? Dinosaurs. Yeah.
That's the T-Rex.
The T-Rex is his favorite toy. All right, we're getting a little bit of a move here. Getting a little bit of a pump higher. All right, Cody. Tell him bye.
Bye. I turned it red.
All right, you guys all heard it. The Cody indicators that we're going higher. Maybe Topstep TV. Ooh, Topstep TV. Can't fade him. We can't fade him now. Now, let's see. I want to see this move. I mean, I want to see this get a nice bounce, and then let's see if we can get a nice short entry. I don't want to chase this. He was right. That's why you cut it. Yeah, Pro Trader Mike. There you go. Show your true colors. Show your true colors there, Pro Trader Mike. Go ahead and get lost. Go focus on creating your own channel and stop trying to go to other YouTube channels to get your audience to gain followers, you leech. Guy's been a loser since he's been sending me emails and whatever, doesn't get the hint. Guy's been sending me emails for 3 months. He's sick and tired of it. I hope I wasn't unclear. All right. I want to see this come up above this 610. Come test the EMA, and then we look for a short. What is my background? I don't have a background, PDV. I don't even have one. All right, there we go. Just there's just so little follow through to the upside. Very, very little follow through to the upside. Hey, you're up 304 for the day. Let's go, Steven. I wanted to congratulate you on getting close to 200K payouts. Thank you, Wanderer. I appreciate that. I remember Wandering Gaming Series last year this time. I know things were way different. Way different. We still have a way to go. We still have a way to go. We're definitely not... I'm not as consistent as I wish I was, but we're better. We're improving. That's the only thing we can ask for. Week after week, month after month, year after year, as long as we keep improving, then that's progress. I don't think any trader ever gets to a point where they're like, where they think they have it all like a finished product, so to speak. Maybe they do. Maybe in 10 years from now, we'll look back like, yep, I got it all under control, but I doubt it. I doubt it. There's always room for improvement. Up 300 on 3 PAs, Orlando. Nicely done. That's awesome. How many evals and how many PAs? I think we were like 240 PAs total. But that's in 2 years' time. So in 2 years' time, I think I'm not even sure what it is for the year. I could go see. I know it's a lot less this year than it was last year. I know that. I know that for a fact. Yeah, the futures connect. It's fine. I wish Mike the best. I wish Mike the best, but he needs to just focus on his own channel and move on. Hey, thank you, Wanderer, and good luck to you as well. Thank you. Do you still do furniture design? I don't. Well, no, I don't. Yeah, short stuff. There's a reason. All right, it looks, I mean, this feels like it's trying to put in this rounded bottom a little bit. We failed to make new lows on this move here. So I do kind of starting to get on board with a long here. Or at least I think we might at least get a nice bounce here up to the 640, 660 area potentially. Be tempting to get a breakout trade here above the 603s or 4. But we're going against the trend. I just don't think it's worth it. We'll just keep chilling. Squeezing the late shorts. It might be, but the other thing I'm afraid of, we might get a nice spike higher here and then rip it lower just to trap all the, or this right here. Now we're trapping the longs, and if we make new lows, this thing's going to drop like a rock. Yep, here we go. Longs trapped, confirmed. Topstep TV just got trapped. Let's see if we have a continuation here. We're at the 570s now. Seems very bearish. Seems very, very bearish today. Just, we're not getting much of an attempt here on the move higher. We're waiting. I'm just waiting. It's a trap. Don't fall for it. Yeah. I counter trade Topstep. I think I'm up 400K this year. Shoot. Well, supposedly because Topstep said that they're down close to 300K on the year, so. Hey, trading ever after in 4 months. That's really impressive. Trading ever after. Is that have you been trading for a while, or would you say that you're completely new? Whenever I switch over to your stream from others, I always have to crank the volume up. Really? You think I'm not? I mean, I should be relatively okay on my volume, but maybe not. Testing. Does someone else think I have low volume? All right, we're continuing to go lower. 560s. Topstep now flat at 40. Now they're down 4,500. I don't know. I'm sorry. I should not be laughing. I have red days all the time. But I don't know why it's just funnier when they do it. Ever since AMC, you turned 4K into 44K. Let's go, trading after. Well, that's very impressive. In 4 months' time, and you're positive. I mean, that's way better than I was. 4 months. It took me a year to get a payout from Apex. So you're doing way better than I am. Keep doing what you're doing. I thought somebody else's was way loud. I see. No reason to catch this until near the close. Wow, what was that rip higher? What was that? This is the first big move we've seen now. This is actually this has potential for a big rip higher. This is where it's like I feel really good about a long right here. I think we could at least go up to the 640s, but at the same time, I'm not sure it's worth it. The way we've been trending, might as well just wait. I think I'm just gonna wait. We touched the EMA and just immediately pulled back 20 points. We chilling. Guys, I just keep thinking about, I keep thinking if we would have taken that 3-minute opening trade with all of our accounts. I know I shouldn't think about that, but I can't help it. You know how nice it would be to be up 900 on all of the accounts? Woo! But we can't think about that. Let's not focus on that. I keep thinking about DoorDash. Hey guys, I think I'm gonna go golfing. I think I'm gonna go golfing this afternoon. Actually, I should look at a tea time. I actually should. Give me a minute. Wow, look at that pullback again. This is just so bearish. We're every little pop is just being sold immediately. All right, I need to make a call. I think I'm going to go to the same course I was at yet on Monday. I'm just on hold. Maddie, hey, I'd love to play a round of golf with you. That'd be awesome. Lost 20K at 8:30. What? Khalil, no copy trading today. The trade that you see was the 3-minute trade. Was the 3-minute strategy, and we're just live testing that, forward testing that account, going on only on the 300K funded account. You're giving up on trading, lost a couple thousand, but it was nice chatting with you. Godspeed. Hey, Kilo, it's totally okay to walk away too. There's no shame in that, but I wish you well. I wish you well, and yeah, I'm sorry, man. Matty Matt says, Kilo, see you on Monday. You know how many times I've said I'm done, and then Sunday night I'm Yeah, I know it happens, Matty Matt. I know it does. There were definitely plenty of times where I thought, hey, I'm out. Yeah, Ryan, that's crazy. Really, Almighty, you practice a year buying one eval a month? That's actually so smart, Almighty. That's really smart. I wish I would have done that when I was still learning. Like the golfer who threw his clubs in the pond and then swam in to get them. Yeah. Yeah, I saw that. I saw Trip Candy. Man, these guys are been on hold for forever. Hey, tea time is locked in. All right. Well, kind of want to get a trade in today, but I'm not going to force anything. Right now, this is starting like to look like it wants to do something, but just nothing happening. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. House account is live. The house account is long again. 3 minis. Oh, dear. Lord help us. Risk management is hard. Ryan, you aren't wrong. It is. Risk management is really hard. The thing is that I think the key to risk management, honestly, the key to risk management is before you enter the trade. Before you enter the trade, understand, a wise person once said, in trading, there's a lot of unknowns. There's a lot of things that are out of our control. When we enter a trade, there are a lot of things that are out of our control. When we enter, it really can do anything. The only thing we have control over is our risk management. That's the only thing we can actually control. So if we make sure before we enter a trade, assume it will be a loss. I think that's the best approach to trading, especially regarding risk management. Enter your trade assuming it's going to be a loss. And then if you assume it's going to be a loss, then make sure that you're okay with that loss. If you're not okay with the loss, then you're probably trading too big of size, or you might just not, maybe you just shouldn't take the trade. But you have to be okay with the loss before you trade, before you enter. And it's the only way, because if you don't, you get in a trade, because once you're in a trade, that's when the psychological part of it, the mental part of it, your brain starts to trip you out, and your brain starts to do things it shouldn't, and you start to make decisions that are not sound. You start getting desperate, especially once you have too big of size. But I mean, it's hard. I mean, it's just hard. Man, this is crazy. Just continues to go lower. You have to completely accept the risk for real. Yeah, exactly. You really do. You really do have to accept your risk. You do. And that's one thing that always helps me is before I enter a trade, like I just come to grips with a loss. Like you just have to. Like it's the best way to do it. You just have to come to grips. I would much rather be pleasantly surprised that my trade wins than to be shocked that I have a loser. Oh, here we go, boys. See this? Like technically right here, I could go short, but I don't, that's just not worth it. I don't think it's smart. Like look at the risk to reward ratio right here. It's just, we're literally shorting at the lows. To me, just not worth it yet. We need to see a bigger move higher first. And it's just not happening right now. It's just a slow bleed lower. And when the market starts doing this, one of the things that I always one of the things I stand by, if you think it's going to bounce, that's okay to have that like approach or bias, but don't go against the trend. It's better to sit out and just watch it continue to go lower than to try to catch these bottoms time and time again. Hey, honey, how we doing? The wife is cleaning my closet door. Oh, maybe she'll let me out of the closet here soon. Oh man. She said, "Don't test me." I am literally in the closet, K Trader. Yeah, quite literally. If I would here, look at this. If I look at that, right there are clothes. we are in the closet. You can't make this up. But it's okay. It's okay. It's actually kind of nice in here. Do the most profitable have lower than one risk to reward or more than one? I think I should try to run more. I mean, I think it's relative. Honestly, I really do. I don't think, I think it just depends on your trading psychology and what works for you. What works for you. Yeah, I think that's what's important. When do we get to meet Mrs. Nutty, Mitch Marvin? She's like paranoid. She does not want to be on stream. So it might go a while. It might go a while. Jokes on the market. It won't get a dime of my sim money. Let's go, John Q. Will I be in the closet for 5 months? I think so. Yario, I think so. Do most did it we just continue to, I mean, this is now just kind of stalling. Well, how big of a move have we since the high of day? I mean, this is actually a really big move. We have over a 300-point move lower since this morning's the overnight high. No, actually, the overnight high is where we opened at last night, up at the 970s. That's 900. That's, geez, that's 450 points. As we continue lower. And house account, Topstep house account, down for the count. I need to stop laughing. That's not funny. I'm sorry. Hey, Traderist Chick, how we doing? Anyone notice your admin only account no longer show in Rhythmic, so no more sim trading while waiting for a rebill? Oh, I did not notice that, Traderist Chick. Interesting. I see. That's interesting. Yeah, Topstep. Wow, this is just big. It's crazy. It's crazy. This market is crazy. The key, guys, is we need to wait. Oh. Hey, you. Are you taking pictures?
Yeah. What?
You're taking pictures of Daddy's chart, huh?
What? Hey, Dad. Watch.
Mm-hmm.
That is green, red, and orange.
It is. It is green, red, and orange. You're right.
And green and red. It's big green.
Yeah, it is.
And big red.
So, do you think it's going to go up or down?
Up.
Uh-oh. The Cody indicator's been off today.
But it's going up.
It is going up. You're right. Oh boy, maybe he is. Maybe he is right. This Topstep is now down 5,300. What we need to wait on, we need to wait till Topstep gets short. Then we know it's time. It's time.
It's time.
They got stopped out and it bounced right up. Oh man, it's unfortunate. We've all been there. Here, take a picture of the chat. Take a picture of the chat. Yeah, right there. Take a picture. Right there. Good job. You got him. Okay, now you need to go run. Okay, market. Have we officially... Are all the longs done? Are all the shorts done? Can we make a move now? Man, this trade right here would have been a beautiful entry short all the way back here at the 950s. Hey, you know what? Where's John? John hasn't been here in a hot second. I wonder if John's on vacation or something. John from Barry. All right, knock it off. What are we doing? Be What is going on in chat? Hey, Lang, Thang, thanks for the sub. TJ, thanks for the sub as well. No, John, I can't say his last name. John Walkowitz. Yeah, I haven't seen him in chat this week. He might be on vacation. Maybe he's getting a new keyboard. I'll be able to golf in December. Exactly, Reezy. It'll be awesome. Hey, take care, Brad. Appreciate you. Yeah, same, Carolina. I butcher his last name all the time. Wait, is Topstep long again? Oh my gosh, they are. Also hit the like button while you're here anyway. Why not? It doesn't cost you a dime to hit the like button. I promise. Hey, let's see. Is this the reversal? All right, let's see if we get above the 70s. We need to get like above the 70s and everything here. I don't know. Man, do I actually take this trade? Hmm. Hey, Delil, thanks for the sub. I appreciate that. Dakota was up like 20 points and still hasn't cut. Eesh. Hey, Alpine in Walkoviak. Ah, thank you, Alpine. Walkoviak. 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 Anyway, I call him John. How you doing, Alpine? Hey, I saw you had a good day today. Nicely done, Alpine. Nicely done. I love it. This is why group trading can be so toxic. All right, let's see if we rip above this 70s. Maybe we get a push here. I just want to wait for a bigger move higher and then look for a short entry. That's what I'm waiting on. See if we get above that 570 area. See if we break out here. Okay, we are above the 70s officially. Maybe we get above the 80s next. Driving and doing errands today, Alpine? Okay. Maybe we just rip it here. I'm going to hang around here. This might give us a chance. It's definitely looking, this is the biggest move higher now. Yeah, I might appreciate that. John from Barry. Let's be friends. Yeah, see if we get this big rip here. 540s up to the 570s now. This is just where I feel like I could take a short right here. Gosh, do I do it? I guess we did do it. And I'm not in on all my trades. That's not cool. Okay, hang on. Kind of want this to fill me. What are we going to do here? If this hits my first target, it's actually going to be a problem. Okay. Do I just get out of this? I don't know what to do in this situation because we're in on only half of our account. So I think as soon as my target fills, it's going to put me in the reverse position. Hang on. No, it won't. I don't think it will. I don't know. I'm not quite sure what to do here. I might just get out here at break even if I can. It might not let me now. All right, just get me out with this on the way. Just get me out. Yeah, see, now I'm in the other position. I need to close. Ah, kidding me. The beauties of a trade copier. We still are in one position. Okay, we're officially out of all of our positions. Officially out. We're done. I guess it was best case scenario there, to be honest. We'll take it. Could have been a lot worse. The problem when see like that isn't really a trade copier issue. Like technically that's not really a trade copier issue. It's basically just when I entered here, the price was moving so fast through my buy stop that it only had time to fill like half of my orders. Then what happens, only half of the orders get filled, which means as soon as my take profit hits on those accounts, it's going to put me in the reverse position on the accounts that didn't get filled. It's a mess. And then it's the happens again, you know, when you
Free cookies.
you want a cookie. Okay.
Free
Okay, we're back. Okay. Hey, this might be the reversal here. It might be it. We made our first. We did not make new lows here, so this is starting to look like we. Hey, and we're seeing some actual buyers in here. Let's we might get a bounce here. Seems like bad program though. I suppose it would be slower to check each account position before adding limit buy orders. Yeah, I don't know, channel. I think there's some. Hey, Alpine, I just made Wendy's money for free. That's right. This is true. Topstep has a runner. Nice. I still kind of like a short. Like, I still think we're gonna make a move. We're gonna make a move lower yet. We might not make new lows, but I think we are going to make a move lower. So if we get a good short setup, I'm still gonna take it. I'm not gonna take a long here. Edward, you think the shorts are done? The low of day is in? I guess we'll find out. We will find out. It does definitely look like there is a chance of that. Here we are testing the 80s now. Testing the 580s. All right, we're above the 580s, 584s. This is definitely looking a lot more bullish. We finally have some buyers stepping in here. Let's see if it continues. Maybe we go test this 600. Yeah, I hear you, Edward. I hear you. See, like right now, I want to have a sell order right here. I just think it's, I don't know, I think it's worth having. If I get filled, I get filled, but I like my chances. If it keeps going higher and doesn't fill me, that's fine. One time a news event happened and my stop loss was 20 points away. No copy trading and price hit my stop loss. Then my take profit so quick and reversed. Yeah, almighty. So depends what news event that was. I've found sometimes during the news event, right before the news, the spread gets so big that it like that basically that happens. But I mean that's why trading news is very, very, very risky. All right, we are above the 87s, 88s here. Looking like we will. Like I said, if we keep going higher, that's totally fine. We almost need to get above the 600s, though, for me to really consider taking a long. Until then, I'm just going to wait. But I'm going to take this off. Let's see if we can get above the 90s now. Back to 700. Here's Johnny. Watch to see if we test 610s. True. Okay, let's see if we keep going. We need to get above the 600s for me to really take this seriously. I have a call credit spread at 750 that expires today. I've been holding it for a one. Oh, wow. Here's Johnny. That's crazy. What is wrong? What is wrong with some people? Yeah, actually, Mr. Wall Street, that 540. Man, that 540 was woot woot. That was nice. I have a call. Okay, max loss is 3K. Nice. We're starting to just do this slow grind higher now. See if it keeps going. If I'm in a trade around news, I try and get out. Yeah, it's same. I think that's the smart thing to do. See, now I could go short right here. Oh man, do I do it? Ah, this is where I struggle a little bit, but see, we get filled. We're in. Can we get a follow through? Can we get a follow through here? Or is this just gonna rip higher? Hold on and wait at. Well, let's find out. Let's find out. Come on, just big rip lower here would be so nice. Just rip it lower. All right, we're filled on the first. I'm just gonna try to keep. I think it's worth trying to get a runner going. Just gonna wait, try to be patient here. If I see something I don't like, I'm gonna get out. Give me a big red candle. Big red candle. Come on. Flush it, flush it, flush it. All right, I'm gonna lock this in. Give me a continuation. One time, baby. Do it for the one time. I think actually taking it off right here is smart. Right here, in case this doesn't want to give us a new low. Let's take our profits there and be happy. All right, let's go. Finally, a green day that actually matters. Oh. We might actually rip right through this and just make new lows. Oh no, is Topstep long again? I didn't even check. Okay, no, Topstep is not. Nice. Oh, thank you, Almighty. I appreciate it. I'm trading micros. 4 micros for the most part. You have a payout with Apex have been under review since Lavin 2? That's crazy. Dragon, I mean, I would just wait. But man, that's kind of disheartening to hear that you've been waiting that long. Wow. Yeah. Excuse me. Are we going to continue to rip this lower? Man, I feel bad for Dakotas. Dakotas was in how much profit? He was in quite a bit of profit. He had his target set at 600. And now he got stopped out. Rip. We've all been there, man. I've been there. It's an ID verification issue. Yeah, I know. Hey, Wendigo, good to see you. Are you using a different strat for the 300K? Yes, I am. The 300K, I am trading yeah, this is the trade that I took this morning. This is the 3-minute strategy that I'm trading only on the 300K. This is the trades that we took this morning. A little more risk, but basically we were forward testing a strategy, forward testing it. So we will just wait and see how it works out. I want to get at least 2 weeks of data. I want to get like 2 weeks of data on the forward testing before we start copy trading it to our other accounts. And we continue. This looks like we're just going to make new lows. Wow. Oh, that was a picture perfect trade though. Perfect trade. I could have had my entry right here at the 575s, but I didn't want to get wicked in and then go higher, so just had my stop right below, or my fill right below the EMA. I love those kind of trades. Oh, those kind of trades. Oh, they just warm my heart. Let's see if we make new lows here. Oh, wow. There we go. New lows. New lows. 520s. Here we come. Unreal. This is impressive. Why don't I hold my runners longer? Can someone tell me, please? Can someone please tell me why I don't hold runners? Can someone just tell me when I should hold them and when I shouldn't? Every time I close my runner, this is what happens. Every time I don't close my runner, the opposite happens. Never fails. It never fails. Because I was tired of seeing red. That is very true. That's very, very true. No one ever went broke taking profits. That is true as well. But it's just crazy how that works, isn't it? Like, I know I'm not the only one. It's just crazy how it works like that. One more trade never hurt anyone. That is the biggest lie I have ever heard. By the way, guys, I don't want to say this, but I feel like I have to. I got to come clean. This hurts me, but I've oh, this is actually embarrassing. This is actually embarrassing. This is so bad. This is so bad, but I'm going to tell you guys as a punishment to myself, okay? This is remember that take profit account, that new freshly funded take profit account that we had, the take profit pro account that we had at $4,800 in profit. Do you remember that? Do you guys remember? I'm going to officially ban the word take profit trader on my channel. I'm going to block their website, and I'm actually, it is painful, man. It is painfully embarrassing, but I kid you not. I pushed and 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 I kept pushing until I blew it. Yep, that's what I did. I was so mad. Yes, it's actually embarrassing. It's actually embarrassing. It is actually absolutely pathetic. I DCA like an absolute degen. I took a loss. Now you guys want to hear the real, you guys want to hear what happened. I wish, okay, do you guys that trade with Take Profit Trader, you guys know that once you blow that account, like once you blow the account, I mean, it disappears in seconds. Like it's gone. Like you can't, it doesn't hang around at all. It is just gone. Now, so what I'm about to tell you, you're going to be like, yeah, there's no way that's true. But I need you guys to believe me. This is actually true. This is actually true. Okay? Hang on right here. Look at this. I'm going to show you something that you will not believe. Hang on. I wish I could show you my entries and exits. I wish I could show you my entries and exits on that account, because you cannot make this up. You can't. You actually can't make it up. All right, right here, the scene of the crime. I still remember. I remember this scene of the crime right here because I was so tilted. Okay, so it all started right here. Okay, we had this nice move higher. Somewhere up here, I was $4,800 in profit on that Take Profit Trader account. Okay, I think I showed you guys on stream, so you know that's true. Okay, here's where it happened. First, it started right here. I entered long on this pullback right here, which I didn't have confirmation on a long. It was a bad trade. So it rips against me, and I take a loss somewhere right here at the 81s. And I lost, I think it was 2 contracts, but basically I lost like $500. Okay. Okay, so now I'm down 500, so I'm still like 4,300 in profit. But as you know, you can withdraw everything above 4,500. Okay. Wait, you can still take a withdrawal on that blowout account? Ooh. Ooh. Can I? Ooh, you might be right. Hard hat trading. Oh, you might. Maybe I can squeeze a couple pennies out of them. I'm going to check on that. Just give me a second. All right. So then we had a $500 loss. Of course, it ticked me right here and it went back up, but I'll digress. So now I'm like, okay, I'd love to just get back to like $5,000 was my target. I was like, once I get 5,000 in profit, I'll walk away and I can withdraw $500 today. That was my goal. Well, we had this happen, and then this happened here, right here. So somewhere right here, I decided, yeah, this market is crazy, and this thing's gonna just rip lower. So I go long somewhere here. And I get stopped out somewhere here. Again, over $500 loss. Now I'm down 1,000, and I'm starting to go on tilt. This account is now in jeopardy. Like, this account has officially made me mad, and I'm just upset. How the market was moving just triggered me. Thankfully, I had locked myself out of my Apex accounts. All other accounts were safe, but the Take Profit Trader account was not safe. Far from it. Okay, now where the real tragedy started happening, we ripped higher here again. So right here, I went long. I get stopped out again right here. Oh my gosh. Now I'm down 1,500. I only have like 2,000 of drawdown left. So right here is where I finally was like, okay, I'm committing to short. This market is definitely going lower. So I short right here, and this just starts ripping higher. Now I'm at the point of no return. Okay. Like, I am at the point of no return, and I'm about to DCA until this thing is either going to be toast. Okay, so all this move higher, I go in with 2 contracts here. I add 2 more here. I DCA here. My final DCA, I was keeping track. My final DCA was up here at the 85s. Right here at this double top. This little wick higher, I kid you not. Like, this is where you have to believe me. I am not making this up. I promise. I promise I'm not. The account gets liquidated at the 89.5. Right there. That is where the account got liquidated. This is no lie. I'm not kidding. Right there, the account got liquidated, and look at what happened. I'm out. I am out. Even reliving that makes me mad. I'm starting to get upset again. I thought I was over it, but now I'm getting upset again. Yep. DCA, man. I'm telling you, DCA ain't what it's cut out to be. Oh, I was so upset. You have no idea. Now, we need to check. Can we actually take some money out? Because if we can even take $2, I'm taking everything I can. That little bastard. Little bastard account. Now, which account was it? That's the problem. Why does Take Profit not put these accounts in the order it was traded? That's so frustrating. Wait. How can I tell? Kind of missed a setup here, I guess, a little bit, but I don't think I'm going to take another trade. This is going to take me forever to find this account. That's probably why they do it. They do it on purpose. And we continue to go lower. Man, this is crazy. Yeah, M. Susan. Wait, you would see a withdrawal button where cancel would be in the Pro tab. Yeah, but I still need to click on it, right? This is giving me OCD, okay? It's giving me OCD, man. I will find this account. I will find it. Yeah, more like PTSD. Yeah, pretty much. DCA is a strategy used when you're investing, not intraday trading. Yeah, I know that. I know. Oh my goodness, this market. Maybe if I didn't have 10 billion blown pro accounts, it would be easier to find. Oh my. Man, this is annoying. Don't you worry, I'm going to find it. Look at that market go. Down through the 500s now. Man, this is crazy. OCD is... PTSD is my... Sorry, I said OCD. That's not what I meant. You're right. That is not what I have. That is not... Oh, man. This is painful. Okay. I am now... If it is the last thing I do, I will find this account. If it's the last thing I do on this earth, I will find it. It's got me special kind of tilted now. What? Wait, is this it? Wait, what is the trailing drawdown? How much is the trailing drawdown? I found it, but I can't withdraw anything. It's below the 150 for some reason. It's by like $10. I wonder, oh, because my commissions, I was not looking at my commissions. Yeah, probably didn't help that I had $500 in commissions. Might have overtraded just a slight tad little bit. Just a tad. Just a tad. All right, fine. I'm going to close down Take Profit Trader. I might actually block them. Go to my ISP and just block their site. Okay, we need to... What is the profit goal for a 50K PA account? It is $3,000. Oh! Anyway, that is what happened to my Take Profit account. So stupid. I want to... It's so bad. It's so bad. I don't even want to talk about it. All right, guys, I do have to go. I got to run. We got a tea time to hit. We made our money. I'm not going to take another trade. We will call this a Good Friday. We can just coast into the weekend on a green day. Feels good. And hopefully, next week, we can really turn this ship around. All right? Everybody, appreciate every one of you. I hope you all have a great weekend. I hope you all have a green day. And I hope you all stop back in on Monday. We'll be continuing to do the 3-minute strategy trade on the 300K account at 9:33. So don't be late. Don't be late. All right, everybody. Appreciate every one of you. Take care and God bless.